Hi, I'm the Reverend Matt Seddon. I'm Vicar of St. Stephen's Episcopal Church, and we are in Lent. And this Lent, I'm going to share some of these video reflections on Lent and on what I'm doing in hopes it will help you have a blessed and holy Lent. Lent comes from the Old English word meaning lengthening of days, or really, in the end, spring. Because at the end of Lent, we are either starting spring or we are completely in spring. So every Lent, I always think to myself about my garden, and particularly my rose bushes. I love rose bushes. You just do a little bit of work and they reward you with beautiful flowers. And one Lent, I was out pruning my rose bushes, which is something that you have to do every year. And as I was pruning the rose bushes, I realized that the activity of pruning rose bushes was a lot like the personal work we do during Lent. In Lent, we are asked to examine our lives, to look at our hearts and our consciousness, and think as to whether we are living the kind of Christian life that we want to live. And we try to take a look at that and make changes if we need to, confess things that we need to, so that we can move on and accept the resurrection at the end of Lent. And so as I was pruning the rose bush, I suddenly realized what I was doing. I was removing dead branches. I was taking the branches that had grown in funny, crooked ways and getting rid of those. Sometimes rose bushes will grow into little clumps, and so I was cutting open the clumps so that the light could come in. Sometimes a branch that had been great for 2 or 3 years had just gotten too thick and heavy and was not really working for the plant anymore, and I would cut that off. And I realized that's a lot like the work we do in Lent. We examine our lives. We ask ourselves, is anything not working anymore? Is something really dead that I need to let go? Maybe angers or hurts or problems or prejudices. Is there things that worked for me in the past but aren't working any longer that are hindering me from leading a full life? Am I so clogged up with problems or hurts or anything like that that the light of Christ can't get in? And we start pruning. We prune it by working with ourselves. We prune it by talking to other people. Maybe we prune it through confessions in the church. And so I realized that that is really what we do during Lent. And I invite you to do some of that this Lent, to take a look at your life and do a little bit of pruning. Now, it can sometimes be kind of hard. I can attest that pruning rose bushes can be even painful. The rose bush tends to fight back. And so sometimes as we look at our lives, parts of our egos tend to fight back. But still, it's very rewarding at the end, because once you've cleared that up and opened yourself to the light of Christ, you can see the resurrection and you can live a full life, which is what God wants for all of us. So may you have a blessed and holy Lent.